Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start lesson number 3, Healthy Lifestyle. In previous class, I have given you a short introduction related to healthy lifestyle. And the main idea is importance of healthy lifestyle and exercise. I have told you in previous class that by taking a proper balanced diet, we can keep ourselves healthy. By doing some exercises like yoga, jogging, playing sports, etc., will keep our body healthy. I have also told you to take adequate amount of sleep. That means 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day. Now today, I am going to explain this chapter. Being healthy means eating right and exercising. To keep a healthy, balanced diet, a person should try to eat daily at least a portion of the 6 major food groups and exercise at least 3 times a week to keep the body fit and reduce the chances of poor health. A wholesome diet and lifestyle can help a person live long, healthy life. For being healthy, we need to eat right and exercising. Means that we need to eat a proper balanced diet and we need to do exercise. We must include few exercise in our daily life, in our routine. Apart of this, we must drink plenty of water to keep our body in balanced way. In science also you have read about how water helps our body. It helps our body in maintaining the temperature of our body. It helps in digestion process. So we must drink plenty of water also. There are so many exercises you can do at your home also. You can include few exercises in your daily life. You may include jogging, yoga, playing games, etc. to make your body fit and healthy. By eating a healthy diet, it means containing a proper balanced diet which contains nutrients in right proportion is very important to keep your body healthy. Nowadays, many of the children, they focus on eating only fast foods which are not good for the health. I'm not telling you that you don't eat fast food. I know that maximum people loves to eat fast foods. But we must include a proper balanced diet in our day-to-day life. You can eat fast food, but sometimes, not every time. आप फास्ट फूड खा सकते हैं, पर हमेशा नहीं. I know, अगर मैं आपसे ये कहूँ भी कि आपको फास्ट फूड नहीं खाना चाहिए, आप फास्ट फूड बिल्कुल भी नहीं खाएं, फिर भी आप मेरी बात नहीं मानोगे, खाओगे. So I know that you need that, but what you have to do, आप डेली एक प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट लीजिए. फिर आप वीक में अगर एक बार कभी फास्ट फूड या 10 डेज में एक बार अगर खा लेते हो, सो इट्स ओके. बट इफ डेली यू आर ईटिंग फास्ट फूड, देन इट विल हार्म योर बॉडी. A healthy lifestyle means maintaining balanced and nutritious diet as well as engaging in sports or other fitness related activities. Nowadays, what happens at home also in this pandemic situation, what we are doing, only you people are studying, then after you eat, but no any exercise. I don't think that maximum of you are doing any exercise at home. But it is very important for our health, so must include exercise in your day-to-day life to keep your body healthy. A healthy diet alone, however, is inadequate to ensure healthy body, as physical activity helps to keep one in shape and free of sickness and diseases. Nowadays, many times we listen to experts that for keeping our body healthy, we must do some exercise so that we feel better. We can keep our body more fit to keep ourselves safe from sickness and diseases. आजकल मैं बहुत सारे एक्सपर्ट से ये सुनते हैं कि हमें अपने बॉडी को, खुद को फिट रखना चाहिए ताकि हम डिजीजेस से बच के रहें। और अभी जो सिचुएशन चल रही है, इसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप डेली कुछ ना कुछ थोड़े भी एक्सरसाइजेस जो आप घर पे कर सकते हैं वो आप मॉर्निंग आवर में जरूर कीजिए। इससे आपकी बॉडी फिट रहेगी और आप डिजीजेस से दूर रहेंगे। You know, according to the World Health Organization, only 1 in 10 people exercise regularly, and a majority do not follow a healthy diet. World Health Organization के अकॉर्डिंग 10 लोगों में सिर्फ एक या दो लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, जो प्रॉपर हेल्दी डाइट लेती हैं। आज के सिचुएशन में आप देखिए, मैक्सिमम लोग आपको यही सजेस्ट करते हैं कि जितना ज्यादा अच्छा आप डाइट लोगे, जितना अच्छा आप खाना, प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट आप लोगे, वो आपको उतना ही बीमारियों से बचा करके रखेगा। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस। द मेन कल्प्रिट ऑफ आवर liking of junk food, as can be seen from the popularity of fast food chains and other western entries. मतलब आप जो आजकल बहुत ज्यादा, हम जो आजकल प्यार करने लगे हैं फास्ट फूड्स को, बहुत ज्यादा हम उन्हें खाना जो पसंद करते हैं, ये हमारे हेल्थ को कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट कर रहा है। इट इज अफेक्टिंग आवर हेल्थ इन अ नेगेटिव वे। सो we should avoid eating fast food. We should avoid eating local foods such as fried noodles, fried rice and snacks. जो भी है, जो लोकल फूड, जो बाहर से जो भी खाना हम मंगा कर खाते हैं, उसे हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए। ज्यादा से ज्यादातर खाना हमें घर का बना हुआ और हेल्दी डाइट लेना चाहिए। So that's all students in today's class. I hope you will follow a healthy diet and you will include exercise in your daily life, which is very important for you in nowadays. So please, once more you go through this chapter, page number 12, and in next class we will discuss few more points related to healthy lifestyle in this chapter. So thank you students. Have a good day.